Okay, good morning from Lewis Boat Works here, our little hobby adventure. Working on this little 1930s Bahamas dinghy. Today we're going to take these thwarts out, or at least make sure we can get the fasteners out so we can get in there and get the paint cleaned up a little bit, get it ready for a recoat. But got some tips on getting these fasteners out. Some of the fasteners you find on a boat may have been in for quite some time, so they might be embedded down in the paint. They may have been set deep into the wood, such as some of these. I'll spin up here, like this one here is completely covered with paint, and the wood swells and paint gets in there. So when you come to take them out, you know, a lot of these fasteners are really good bronze. Might be able to use them again. Some of them, you just want them to come out so you can check them. So what we do is we take some type of awl or hooks or picks to get that screwdriver slot cleaned out. We can see what kind of shape it's in. And then, next trick, we'll switch back to this other fastener, is you might need to pick around to find out. To get down in there, we'll take the pick and we'll go around the outside circumference of the screw head, like we did on this one here, and clear out any wood fibers or any paint, sealants, etc. that's on there. Give that thing the best shot of coming out. Also, when it comes out, if you clear out around the edge of this, when you pull the screw out, it won't be blowing wood fibers out on the edge. It'll leave good wood where you want it. Then I think probably the most critical thing is to find the screwdriver head that fits the screw you're taking out, and I'm talking width and thickness of it, so that when you go in there, there's no slop. Let's get the camera set up here so that you get a full bite. Like, see right there, it tried to slip out on me a little bit. You can take that and get some down pressure on it. This one's in a little bit of an angle. Sorry if the camera's moving around, but doing this to you one-handed. And so that one's going to come out. We'll be able to get it out and then see whether we can reuse it if it's had any corrosions on the thread for being in that crevice for a while. If you've got good galvanized, I'll switch over to these we've already got out. Good, the old school galvanized or bronze, and you might pull a screw out. A little bit of corrosion, but it's still got good threads on it. But some of them, you got to take them out, the head's just going to snap because what's left of the fastener's buried in there, and you'll need to drill that out a little bit to get new fasteners in. So that's what we're doing next. This thwart we think was added later based on its a little bit different construction than this forward thwart. This forward thwart probably was for we're assuming a cat sloop rig, and I don't mean cat boat, I mean cat meaning it set up in the set up into the eyes of the bow here with a triangular sail. So we'll get that going, and we'll So we'll go buy, if we don't have it in the shop, we'll go buy more screwdrivers as needed so that we get to this bigger fastener here. We'll have a good shot of getting that out, and if we can reuse it, we reuse it. If not, our favorite fastener place is Fairwinds Fasteners. They have just about anything you need. If not, there's a good chance it's on their list of something they're getting ready to make here in the U.S. They great quality, great prices, outstanding customer service. They ship fast. I don't know how you could do it any better than what they do. Hope y'all are doing great. That about does it.